Make a great choice today with the 2020 Corsair. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.